to nobody. One last time, did I do anything to any? Did I smart up to you anyway?
Nope.
Did I cooperate?
Yes, you did.
And who am I speaking with? Officer
Binion.
Binion.
Okay, hop in your truck and go.
Thank you very much.
All right. Have a nice evening. Just don't come back over here, okay?
Don't come back to where?
To this church.
What's the name of this church?
St. Matthew's.
St. Matthew's. Thank you.